Prove that a minus b into bracket a plus b minus c into bracket b plus c minus a into bracket c plus a is equal to 0. Answer. Here take LHS, left hand side. Here left hand side is a minus b, a plus b plus b minus c, b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a. Now here we use the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now here a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square plus here b square minus c square, b square minus c square plus here c square minus a square, c square minus a square plus a square minus a square gets cancelled, minus b square plus b square cancel, minus c square plus c square cancel. Therefore this equal to 0 equal to RHS.